Okay, I'm gonna be using my bread maker today to make my dough for my cinnamon rolls. I've got my bread machine pan here. I'm gonna make sure my whole thing's in there good. I'm going to I have heated up some milk. I needed 3/4 of milk heated up. Okay, into the milk, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of warm water. Then I've got an egg that I've had at room temperature. I'm gonna add it to the milk and water mixture. Just kind of beat it up a little bit. Okay, you want to add this to your pan. And I also want to add my 1/4 of a cup of sugar to it. Stir it around a little bit. Okay, and on top of the liquid, I want to add my 3 cups of bread flour. You just want to kind of spread this around a little bit, and you want to make a hole in the middle, a well. That's where your yeast is going to go. I'm going to use 1 package of active dry yeast. You just want to put this right in the middle, like that. Okay, and for the salt, you don't want the salt to touch the yeast, so you want to put it around the edges, and I want 1 teaspoon of salt. You just kind of go around the edges like this. Okay. Okay, and then you want to, I've got a tablespoon of butter. I just kind of want to put it around the edges. And then I've got a little over a tablespoon of vegetable shortening. You just kind of want to put it around the edges too. Okay, make sure I've got everything. I got the yeast, I got the water, I got the milk, got the sugar, got the Crisco, salt, butter, flour, and egg. Okay, that's everything. It's ready to go in my bread maker. You just kind of want to tap the sides a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put it in my bread maker. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. And I'll put it on the dough setting. Okay, see, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the bread machine. I've got my bowl ready. I'm going to put some avocado oil in here. Kind of swirl it around. I just want to take my dough out. Make sure you get the little agitator out of it. Okay. I just want to rub this around all in the oil. Then I just take some plastic wrap and cover this up. I just want to cover it up and let it set for about 30 minutes. It should double in size. Okay, what I'm gonna do instead of using flour, I seen this on Passion for Foods channel and it looked like it worked really good, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna spray this with oil instead of using flour. And then also do the rolling pin. Now I'm gonna turn this out on. Look at that, don't that look pretty? I just wanna roll it out in like a rectangle shape. Okay. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take like a butter knife and go right in the middle because I'm going to make two different kinds. And that way I can kind of tell on this half. I'm going to spread some butter. On this side, I want to spread my pumpkin butter that I canned the other day. See how pretty? I just want to put this on this side. Okay, and on this I've got 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/8 of a cup of white sugar. And to this I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. And just mix these three things up together. Smells so good. I just love the smell of cinnamon. I'm also going to make a cream cheese frosting to go on top of these. Gonna be delicious. Okay, on this side, I just want to sprinkle very generously. And then I just want to lightly sprinkle this side because this side already has some spices on there. In there with the pumpkin butter. I just want to kind of press this side in where it'll stick into the butter so the cinnamon and sugar won't fall away. The pumpkin one's kind of falling apart. And it'll be good. Okay, then I want to use dental floss. I've done this for years. And you just cut your cinnamon rolls with the dental floss. Like that. See how pretty? got my pumpkin butter ones. And then I've got my regular cinnamon rolls. And I'm just going to spray them lightly. And I'm going to cover them with plastic wrap. And I'm going to let these set for about an hour. And then I'm going to bake them. Okay, now it's time to make the frosting. I'm going to start with a block of cream cheese. That's 8 ounces. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to start creaming these together. And sorry about the noise. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 cup at a time of powdered sugar and slowly blend it up together. I'm going to alternate that and the milk together. My mixer just blew up. I'm going to have to transfer to my KitchenAid. Oh, man. Sorry, Brenda. I know I'm not supposed to beat on the bows, but... Okay. Now I've got the stuff back in my bowl for my KitchenAid. I actually like using my KitchenAid better, but I know y'all can't see it very well. So I'm gonna start blending it up really good. Cups of sugar. Start off slow. Add a little bit of milk. I think it's got about the right consistency now. There's the frosting. It's ready for the cinnamon rolls. Okay, it's been an hour and I have transferred my regular cinnamon rolls into a glass pan because they was rising different. So they'll probably bake different. These are my pumpkin butter cinnamon rolls. And these are my regular cinnamon rolls. The pumpkin butter rolls are bigger because I didn't roll them as tight. The regular cinnamon rolls, I rolled them really tight, and that makes the dough inside thinner. I'm gonna bake them. I'm gonna bake them at 350, and I'll let you see them when they get done. Thank you. Okay, this is what they look like when they come out. These are the regular cinnamon rolls, and then these are the pumpkin butter cinnamon rolls. Now it's time to frost them. Putting my frosting on there while it's hot. That way it soaks down into the inside of it. Just kind of spread it around. And it'll melt all the way down in it. Don't that look good? Look how beautiful these look. They look so delicious. I'm gonna try this little one right here. Try it. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's good. Mmm. Oh yeah, those are delicious. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy this recipe. How to use pumpkin butter. Thank you so much.